Today we are going to unbox 70mm 12 dash cam, and it is 70mm Pro A500S with dual channel, and the price, as you can see on screen, 14,999 in Indian currency, but you can get it for somewhere around 10k or 11k in offer. It has a built-in GPS, route tracker, ADAS, and you can share the videos through the app. Let's try to unbox it. Okay, the packaging is pretty decent. Let's try to open it and see what we have inside. I guess this is the documentation with a film to stick it on your windscreen, user manual, and this is for the rear camera. User manual. I guess this is the rear camera user manual. The earlier one was the complete unit user manual. You can go through it to set it up properly. Okay, so we have the main unit, which is the front camera as well as the display. It has the charging port, micro USB. It has a slot for the rear camera. Now I guess this is the power cord. Okay, this is for the rear camera extension. You will have to connect the rear camera to this socket, and then this wire goes into the main unit. This is the tool that they have given to show your wire inside the insulation on your roof, and this is the mounting adapter. Car charger with 2 USB port, I guess. Now I have a power bank, so I'll try to power it using the power bank so that I can show you what you will see on the display. So this is the power cable. Let me try to connect the power cable to the main unit. Okay, let's try to connect the main unit and see what we have on the display. You will have the assisted guide on the display to go through the settings. This is for setting up the time and the date. Let me try to set the date and time. Okay, now it's done. Let me try to save that and go to the next screen. Here it shows that I have to scan this QR code to download and install the 70 MAI app so that I can view the photos and videos and do rest of the settings. So I'm going to scan it with my iOS device and I'm going to install the app. Once you download the app, you will have to register yourself. Let's try to move on to the next step. And in the next step, it is asking me to insert the memory card. I will use the recommended memory card, which is the Samsung. I have used Samsung EVO Plus 128 GB, which is class 10. This is the front camera. As you can see, I don't have the rear camera attached, so I'll attach that as well. So I'm going to attach the rear camera. For that, I'll have to connect the cable first and then connect the rear camera to the socket. This is the rear camera. As you can see, the unit is detecting the rear camera, and I can switch to the rear camera as well by clicking on the first button. Okay, so I have installed this on my car, and this is the footage from the front facing camera. little less pixels, and I have a CPL filter as well installed to remove the glares. So you can see that I have reduced the glares on the video footage quite nicely. This is the footage from the rear camera, which is pretty decent. 1080 pixel, I can figure out everything, but in night, when it is dark, it is not that usable. But then still you can have this rear camera recording all the events. That's all. I guess I already have uploaded the video on the USB based hardwiring, where you don't have to open any of your components to do the hardwiring. So I have that video as well in my channel. And that's all in this video. Please do subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and I'll keep on posting good videos on daily gadgets and new technologies.